Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my new video. My name is Nescafex and welcome. I am an artist and musician, so if you would like to check out my music, you can right now on Spotify and Apple Music. It would be great if you support me. And now let's go to the video. Today we're gonna make an unboxing and setup for the Apple Watch 5 series 40mm. Yeah, as I ordered them on eBay because I would like to save some money. So here are the Apple Watches for $87.99 US, but I didn't bought it at this price because I make some offer to the seller and I bought them exactly for $76 US. The shipping cost me $27.94 US, and the VAT, which is a tax between US and Europe. If you would like to buy something in US, you have to pay taxes to get it into the Europe. VAT. It's 21% from the price, and for me it was only $21.83 US, which is affordable and not so much to the Czech crowns. It's something about 400 Czech crowns, which is pretty okay, so I saved some money. So at all cost I paid $125 US, which was exactly 2,990 Czech crowns, which I made it into the 3,000. And here in Czech Republic they are selling these Apple Watches for more money than 3,000 Czech crowns, much more, about 5,000. Czech people are very stealing their own people in this land, so I believe more Americans than my people. I also asked the guy if he is around Los Angeles, and he told me that these watches are coming from San Jacinto City, which now you can see where it is located, so it's in sunny California, so I hope there will be no corrosion. So let's go unbox it, yeah. Okay, so let's unbox it. I'm gonna use this tool which damaged my OLED screen from the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So now you can damage this package. Perfect. Yeah, we got it. Good. Yeah, it's quite sharp. Yeah, first door opened. And the second one also. Oh, so there is another package. Here we got a smaller package, and here we have it. Nice, so let's go. There's some message. Thanks for shopping with eBay. Glad to hear that. Okay, this wouldn't work, and we can destroy this. It's so sticky. Smart device. They send it the Apple Watch in. What kind of package is this? Let me see. What is this? Data apps, web. Interesting package. So it's smart, so perfect. Another package. No way. Oh, here they are. Nice. We have them. Nice. So nice. Wow, look at them. They're so nice. Wow, nice. Check out the screen, it's not so bad, it's fair, but I like it. Wow. My first Apple Watches. I didn't expect that I would be ever considered buying these watches. Here's the side, the button. I believe these are the speakers. Wow, nice. What is this? Hi there, I'm your new Amazon renewed device. Renewed Amazon. It's from Amazon. No way! Thanks for shopping with Amazon. I think it belongs to the other package, to the smart device, not this one. What is this? Okay. Cloud. Attention! All customers returning Apple products must remove their iCloud accounts from the device. Yeah. That's not our case. And here is the charging cable. Yeah, this one looks used. There is a minor scratches on there. Nice, I like it. I don't know how it should charge. Like this? Yeah, maybe. You just put it on this and it will charge. Maybe, in my opinion. So we have them. Let's check it out how it looks on my hand. If it will fit or not. Okay, I put it wrong. Here like this and put this into this hole. And that's it, I believe. I think I put it wrongly, but I think it looks good. but they feel heavy, I would say. It's not a normal watch. They feel heavy, but not bad. Nice. I think I got it wrong. You have to wear it, turn it. I should turn it. The button should be like there. Like this, I think. But I like the setup. It's pretty simple to set it up. Yeah, like this. I think it looks great. Can we try to turn it on? Yeah, let's go. Okay, so let's go. Let's set up the Apple Watch. So first, what you have to do is press this button, press it and hold it. And here we go. Now we have to wait. It looks like the battery is bad, so we have to connect it to the connector. This one like this. Okay, you have to connect it, not this one but this part, the hole there. Okay, so I connect the cable to the electricity to the MacBook, and right now we turn it on. And first what you have to do is place your phone close to the Apple Watch. So let's make it. So I put it close, but nothing is happening. Maybe I should connect the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Yes, you have to turn on the Bluetooth. Apple Watch. Use your iPhone to set up this Apple Watch. Continue. Set up Apple Watch. Perfect. Now we get it. So, set up for myself. Hold Apple Watch to the camera. So like this, I think. You have to aim. Your Apple Watch is paired. Perfect. Now set up Apple Watch, I think. Yeah, my preference, of course, left. I also write with my left. Connecting your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Setting language. Activating your Apple Watch. This may take a moment. Signing into your account. This may take a few minutes. Good to know. Yeah, analytics. I don't like sharing the analytics. Don't share. Apple Watch passcode. Yeah, passcode is a good one. 4 digits. This code can be easily guessed. Do you still want to use it? Yeah, of course. Use code. Re-enter passcode. Nice. Bold text and size. Yeah. How it should be big. This is okay. Bold text. I don't need bold text. This one is okay. Shared settings. Apple Watch shares settings with the iPhone, location, Find My iPhone, Siri and analytics and improvement. Some watch faces and apps may use your location or location services is on. Fitness and health apps will be downloaded to your iPhone. Okay. Personalize fitness and health. Continue. Activity. The activity app helps you sit less, move more and get some exercise. Once you set up your goals, it can send notifications to help you meet them. Yeah, why not? What is your daily? My daily goal is to 300 calories lightly. Your daily exercise. Okay, 30 minutes sounds good. Your daily stand goal. It's recommended to get up and move for at least a minute in each hour of your day. I don't know, what is it? Workout, road trekking, yes. I don't know, I don't like these notifications. There are some emergency SOS. You would hold the side button and fall detection during workouts. It can call emergency services if it detects a hard fall and you need help. Okay, some safety. Apple Pay. You can set up paying with your Apple Watch, but we will do it later. Welcome to Apple Watch. So that's it. Hello. Start. Start. Learn how to navigate. Press the digital crown to see your apps. Wow. Press the digital crown to return to your watch face. Nice. My faces. Press the side button to open control center. Yeah, Wi-Fi. To close control center. Turn the digital crown to see your widgets. Welcome to Apple Watch. Yeah, widgets, I get it. Up and down. Here you can change the style of the watch, face gallery, astronomy. This looks nice. California. Fire and water. Memoji. Mickey Mouse and Minnie Mouse. I like it. Motion. Night bounce. Yeah, there are a lot of Pride series. Snoopy! Haha, here is a Snoopy. We can add Snoopy. I like it. Why not? If it's for free. Faces to add from the face gallery also appear in my watch. So, how can I find it? Yeah, here, we got it. Nice! I love this. So amazing. Peanuts 1, Peanuts 2. Yeah, the numbers. That's great. Peanuts 3. Cool, so we made it. We set it up and I'm gonna do some tutorials later with this. So I hope you liked this video. If yes, hit the like and subscribe button for more. So everything is set up, and in the next episode I'm gonna show you the reason why I bought these Apple Watches. It's because of this. It's the Apple Watch app from the Back to the Future. So we will try to download. I will show you how to get this widget in the next episode. So stay tuned, hit the like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye Nescafex, bye bye. See you next time and goodbye Nescafex, bye bye. Toy Story, oh my goodness, love it.